So here we are at our manufacturing lab in Osborne Park, and this is Paul, who is starting to put together one of our equine pole caps. So he has what we call populated the base pad with the PCBs, which have got the LEDs already soldered onto them. And he's in the process, and I'll just zoom in a bit, of connecting the wires. So as you can see, it's a very labor intensive process where each PCB, which is a green strip, has to be connected with a black wire and also a red wire, because the red is the red for the infrared, or the
no, the red's representing the positive.
Okay.
Just makes it easier for the assembly.
All right. So Paul, how long would it usually take to do a whole pad, one of these?
Pop out here, you're probably looking at a good 10 to 15 minutes.
Per pad. So,
per pad.
yeah. And we are in Australia, not China. These aren't made by a whiz-bang machine. So yes, they are labour intensive. So each PCB is getting a red wire and a black wire. And we have up here is actually the diagram of the finished product, and down here are all the different lengths of wires already pre-cut, ready for soldering. Because throughout the pad, depending on where the PCB is placed, you will have a different length wire. And how long have you been with this company, Paul?
27 years.
27 years, so he kind of knows what he's doing. And now smile for the camera, Paul. Oh, there we go. Lovely smile. And I'm going to pan over here to a pad that has just been completed, and that's the finished product. And then that gets sent to me, and I silicon each and every solder point to prevent any snapping. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed our little informative video. Onwards and upwards. Bye for now.